now, Tiffany. Right, while we get another one of those, Tiffany knows Mr. Bawang very well, and she wants to show us how to do the Mr. Bawang sign.
Sorry, I need to clear.
Right, Tiffany forgot to do this. Remember? That is, you mobiles, Mr. Bawang says, all also can settle. So that is all you all also can settle punya hand sign. So when we're ready, yeah, Berhormat and also Mr. CEO. Mr. CEO is ready. Okay, remember, palm on unlimited potential. Once our photographers are ready, I'm sorry, it's a very small space there. Are we ready? Are we ready? 3, 2, and palm on unlimited potential, ladies and gentlemen. This is the official launch of the showcase of GoPayz and GoBiz. Once you're ready, VIPs, you can move towards the side so you can see what's on screen. Thank you so much to all VIPs on stage right now. The showcase for GoPayz.
Do you need me to demonstrate to you?
Huh?
Do you need me to demonstrate to you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So we are actually working with FSM1, okay, to offer unit trust for customers to purchase. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll just show you a simple customer journey. So this will be under the GoPayz environment. So customer click transaction, and then they can click unit trust. Okay. And after that, they click agree to the terms and conditions. Okay. So over here we have actually over 450 funds to buy.
Okay.
80 fund houses. Okay. So here I will just demonstrate to you one of the funds. Okay. For example, let's say we buy this. Okay, so there's a list of funds, so you just have to select one of the funds that suits your risk appetite. Okay, so for payment method, you can select GoPayz. Okay, after that minimum investment amount is 100, so here we put 100. And then after that, you click add to cart. Upon adding to cart, then you can select checkout. Okay, so you have to agree to the terms and conditions set by FSM1, and then you click confirm.
Okay.
So here you have to key in the password.
Passwords.
Then click confirm. So once click confirm, then there will be proceed to make payment. Okay, so order is done, then you click payment via GoPayz.
Alright.
So after that, you use our wallet to pay. Click pay now, and enter the e-wallet pin. We're good to go. Yep. So everything will be on digital. Yeah.
Okay. Services, utilities.